What is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. I actually forgot to make an intro for this video, so I'm doing it right now, which is after the videos I already made. But in this video, you're gonna see us installing a bunch of carbon parts on Pargevs M2 competition, and we also lower it on Vogelin lowering springs. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. What's up, Razzie? What are we doing today?
Drinking water with man.
I don't like the color. No, it looks good on camera. That's all that matters. So Parky just got his M2 competition wrapped in blue. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below.
Ain't nobody comment on your video, stupid. Everybody loves you. Oh. Man,
What are we doing today, bot?
Diffuser tips.
We're not installing no diffuser.
Front lip, and what was that? Spoiler. That's it.
Alright, we're gonna install the front lip and wing. New carbon front lip and wing. Let's show the people.
Stupid. Thank you for that. Look at the smiley face.
You're welcome. Let's see the wing.
Straight from
Dirty
Vorsteiner.
as shit.
Yeah, Vorsteiner.
Yeah, Vorsteiner my ass. So that's the wing, and this is the lip. This is a GTS style lip, I think. Right? Autumn got the lip.
Another smiley face. Thank you, Armand.
Put it on there. Let's see how it looks.
Very nice.
Well, this video is gonna have all the mods in there, probably.
Exactly, that's mine. We
But
got, bro.
for today, we're only
look,
installing these two.
Hold on. Here's my argument. So you're gonna have to end up editing like 2 hours extra because you're doing it from 3 different clips instead of just doing it from tonight. You just save all that time, bro, and I'll buy you some food.
Do you see how hot it is?
Hey.
I don't think people look how hot it is.
Did you forget? He said food. Hey.
What? Wait, he said food? You said food?
Food!
Man, we better install everything on this shit today. Alright. Let's just set it up on time lapse and install this shit.
That's what I said too.
Hold it just like that.
Not my ass.
Oh, that? Hold that. Just a second. I like how it flares out on the sides.
Yeah. Alright, so the front lip's done. Alright, so next is the wing. Greg got the 3M double tape installed. So. Alright, we pull the car in backwards so we can get this wing installed. What you doing, Greg?
Nothing, Tad.
We can get the wing installed, we can get the diffuser going. It looks so good with the diffuser, especially when it's tonight. So where are we gonna put the bolts for that one?
Up your ass.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna drill through your trunk.
That's what I was
Up
thinking too.
and
then, like sideways.
yeah, around your ass.
Like 1.5 millimeters. Alright, that's done. Next.
It's got perfect fitment too.
Boy,
Just needs to be wiped down. Alright, now we're gonna install the new diffuser. Let's look at the new diffuser first. When we take the diffuser off, we could take those tips off and then put the diffuser on, then the new tips go on. So we got the tips on and the diffuser. We're supposed to put these shits on that he got. They're supposed to go right here, but we're gonna take a lunch break and then try those out.
Lunch break is midnight, stupid.
Lunch break.
I saw it coming too.
Wow, that was just like your nose. You're fat as f***. You're a virgin for the rest of your life and you didn't say anything. I know you didn't say anything.
Hey,
Oh my god.
Raz, hold on. That's not gonna lift you up, bro.
It looks purple.
Just got the diffuser fully installed.
I'm right here where I'm standing. No.
It looks sick now.
Come here.
Alrighty, boys. That settles it. Now come clean all this shit up.
Pistons on the back.
We just got done with what, Raz?
Installing the pistons. Now we gotta take that clutch out from the wheel. And what's next?
We gotta
Take the motor out the back end. And, yeah.
So we hydrolock the engine?
We're not done actually.
We are done.
Does it remind you of anything?
Shove it up your ass.
Alright guys, today is a new day. Last night when we were installing all that carbon fiber on Pargevs' car, my phone's battery actually died, so I couldn't keep continuing the video. But today's a continuation of that video. He's actually on his way to my house right now, and we're gonna be installing the new lowering springs that he got for his car. So yeah, let's just wait until he gets here and we'll get started. Alright, the homie Perky is here. Say hello, Perky. What do we have planned today? Tell the
we're
people.
gonna put in pure turbos on my
Uh-huh.
car.
What else?
So, I think that's it. Pure turbos, maybe upgrade some spark plugs. Nothing crazy. Oh, and suspension. We gotta do suspension.
And suspension.
Speaking of,
Oh. We haven't unboxed them yet, huh?
we did.
Or we did. Just take it outside. Put it outside.
Looks cool.
Got some nice Vogtland lowering springs. Made in Germany. Alright, let's slap this shit on.
Did it hurt? Yeah.
It's good. That's a huge difference compared to before.
Well, you can't even stick a finger in there anymore. I used to be able to put 3 fingers in.
Damn, you like it?
Yeah, that shit's sick. Now we need spacers though.
Now it needs more low.
We'll work on that in the meantime.
Fitment's not bad though.
Yeah.
You got a job well done. Well, everything's done on this car. Well, for this video. Next video is downpipes and tune.
And then we have one more front mount intake. That should be it.
Should you get this Honda Accord right there? Oh yeah, you want to tell me about your Honda Accord, bud?
Alright, so it's a 4-cylinder, gets about 30 miles to the gallon. That front bumper's a little scratched up, but I'll sell it for 10,000.
How many
buyers? Alright, now do burnout and like
Nah, it looks sick.
send it. Looks good.
All right, fam. You want to close out the video?
Until the next one.
We'll see you guys in the next one.